There's nothing more magical than seeing the sun go down on the dusty. It's not the sun that goes anywhere during the dawn and sunset, but it's us who move, little kitty.
Kitty standing still.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chaitra. Today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful desk organizer. Isn't it beautiful and organized? So let's get started.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
First, take a cardboard piece of the measures shown here. Then take some pattern paper or wrapping paper and wrap the cardboard to make it pretty and beautiful. This is the side support. Then take the base, which measures 21 into 23 centimeter. Then using the base, cut out a rectangle of 21 into 26.5 centimeter and stick it like this. Then take the side support cardboard and stick it between the base and the back support. Stick a rectangle which measures 23 into 26.5 cm in the between, another small one which measures 17 into 21 cm. Then stick the second side support cardboard like this. Finally, stick patches on 3 paper cups and stick them like this. Our organizer is ready. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share and comment my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below so you don't miss any of my videos. Bye bye.